Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by launching a Google app or Chrome on your iPhone. Make sure iOS and apps are updated and on a reliable Wi-Fi network. Tap the profile icon in the top right to begin signing in. Enter your Google email and password when prompted, and allow the app to remember your sign-in if you prefer. This step links your Google identity to apps that use Google Play services indirectly, so complete the sign-in fully before moving on to app-specific setup. Once signed in to Google on your iPhone, open the app that requires Google Play account access and choose Sign In with Google. You'll be asked to grant permissions. Allow the ones required for the app to function, such as contacts, location, or notifications. If two-factor authentication is enabled, complete verification via text code, Authenticator app, or Google prompt. This secures the connection. After permission grants and verification, the app links to your Google. Finish by verifying account sync inside the app settings and confirming purchase or subscription access if applicable. If you need to add a payment method for Google Play purchases, use Google Pay on the web or a supported app to add cards. iPhone settings won't manage Google Play billing. If something goes wrong, make sure to clear the app cache or data, reinstall the app, or remove and re-add your Google account. These steps resolve most authorization and sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.